Let's talk about my hardwood. That's right, my wood's hard right now, as I'm talking to you, and it always is. Because softwood's not good for anything except hanging ornaments and putting presents under on Christmas Eve. Certainly not good for cooking, and that's why I only cook with Hotbox hardwood. 6 inches of hardwood, guaranteed to light up your pizza oven like it was meant to be. Ladies, is your man's wood guaranteed pest and insect free? Because mine is. Every time. My wood goes in a giant oven for 48 hours at over 260 degrees. Just for you. Because you deserve the best hardwood available. From me. Your man's probably using charcoal, or even worse, pellets in his pizza oven. Well, newsflash, pellets are what goats drop, not what you want near your food. Let's be honest, size matters. And that's why my wood's a consistent 6 inches. Every time. All day long. Anytime I want. Perfect. I'll deliver my wood to your house for free, so you can get your pizza oven date night started right away.